Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jyoti and Shruts.
Hello.
Hola. Hello, hello.
Yes.
Are you all like what's the word? Full focus have you brought to the table today?
Focused and awake and
Oh,
listening. Why? Why
well
do I need to be
done.
like that?
Because I think we will need it in this Ghana. I have
Acha.
been told it is super fast flow from both the people involved.
Oh, really? And who are
Yeah.
these people?
These people are someone called Kid Shot. Um, it will be our intro to him, and it's a song of his called Meri Bari, in which he features Krishna, KR
Oh,
dollar sign.
nice.
Yes.
तो ये कुछ नया तो नहीं होगा ये तो मतलब it's a bit old.
It says
हाँ.
March 2017, but it's been so highly requested and for such a long time. I was like, let's just get to it before
Very cool.
Mr. Dollar Sign drops his new track. Because when he drops that, then the comment section will go nuts anyway.
Correct.
So let's do this one first.
Let's. I'm ready. Count me down.
All right, full focus. One, two, three, play.
बचना मुझसे तू क्योंकि है मेरी बारी सच क्या पूछूं तू खुद से अब है मेरी बारी बस ना मेरा अब मेरी ही बातों पे मेरी बारी हंसता मुझ पे तू अब है मेरी बारी मैं तो करूँ जो भी लगे मुझे ना मैं कह दूं पर मैं क्यों तुझसे डरूं जब मेरे लिए फेंक दूं डिबेट क्यों जब मैं हूँ बंदा भारी तो फिर बैठ तू और देख तू मैं बेस्ट तुझे कहती मुझे जनता सारी चले मेरा गाना बॉम्बे से लेके दिल्ली मनाली मैं रुआ ना मारू ना मैं मारू तो जब बेट खाली लोगों को वो जो भी बोले उनका गाना सबसे भारी बोलो तो फिर किसका गाना सबसे भारी ठोको ताली आना आस पास मत मानो ना पास बस खाले पास पास अब क्योंकि तेरा रैप अब बदबूदार मत पुकार मुझे तू कभी भी पर कुदार क्योंकि मैं नहीं तेरा हबीबी अब आया तू आता तो टेक माना तो ठीक ना माना तो कहता तू फेक आके तू आंखें खोल देख मैं एक वन टेक में लेता तू जैसे अनेक है पर मन मानी करूँ ना मैं हर दम जरूर पे जो भी लगे सही बगे वही जो भी डरे बन बातें करूँ ना मैं सच बातें करूँ बच्चे बेटा तू मुझसे जले तभी थमे तेरे साथ तेरे सगे पर मेरे साथ पूरा जग है ना मैं तू तो देता ना मैं दंगे कोई भी तू देता ना फक मैं हूँ रैप का सर्जन मैं भरता जो नड़ता वैकेंसीज को करता सब जैसे मैं कोई डिटर्जन तुझे हर गानों में चाहिए लड़की दारू पैसा मर्द बन छोटे में पवैया तो पक्का है तेरा विसर्जन मैं सुनता जो भी कहती धड़कन मेरा सब कुछ रैप को अबर्बन बहुत हुआ मेरी बारी अब है मेरी बारी 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 ना होता तेरा गाना फील तो फिर क्यों सुनूं मैं बनकर अब मैं चील तेरा सब कुछ छीनूं मैं आने वाला बुरा वक्त तेरा कौन वो हूँ मैं देता ना कोई भी फक भले रॉन्ग हूँ मैं अब है मेरी बारी अब तो कभी भी ना हारे मेरी जीप है तो पानी भी तरह के डरे सारे मुलाकातें खुराफाती गुनहगारी होने वाली जो बारी सारी है मेरी जिम्मेदारी मेरा नाम फैला समाचार में तलवार की धार पे कटी जीप खतरनाक है देखे मुझे आंखें चिपका के जाते जो बातें औकात से बर्बाद सर्वनाश की चाल है रैप पे था मेरे नस नस में कैप पहने बिना पहले चश्मे स्ट्रैप में दिखी तेरे जग में ट्रैप चले स्पीकर के भीतर ये गीदड़ के बीच हम जीते तो हंसते राइट नाउ गैंग द मूवमेंट्स वे इन द venom my man be shooting तेरा वजूद ही झूठ है देख के मुझे भाई तुझे क्यों जलन महसूस है बाकी सारे रफ लगे नरम जो करे ना कभी करम चूल्हे मेरे चरण कर ले प्रणाम जैसे लिया मेरे जन्म में बाकी रैपर ने खत्म किया मैंने वचन रखता जुबान मैंने सुना मेरे बारे सारे करे बातें बिना जाने मुझे इंडस्ट्री में लोग देखे मुझे सारे लेके कुछ बोले आगे झूठे बातें करे इंडस्ट्री के चोर मेरे लेवल का है कौन कौन मेरे आगे सारे मॉम तेरी बंदी करे फोन कमो को बोले I'm alone सोचा मैंने जैसे भी ये दुनिया तो वैसे भी है जाने मेरे गाने मालूम था तो वैसे भी वो तो मनी कैसे भी है रैपर सारे थे दुनिया देखे मुझे सारे बोले तेरे गाने वैसे नहीं बहुत हुआ मेरी बारी अब है मेरी बारी बहुत हुआ मेरी बारी अब है मेरी बारी बहुत हुआ मेरी बारी अब है मेरी बारी बहुत हुआ मेरी बारी अब है मेरी बारी
Nice. You're like, that's a wrap.
यार ये ऐसे गाने अब क्यों नहीं बनाते हैं यार ये 3 साल पहले वाले क्यों हैं what is this going on
No, they're making no now also.
I know but like this one is damn good
I know.
I'm like fully like charged up wow
I think they're taking shots at the commercial rap space. I don't know. I could be wrong. But they're like, "Bahut hua, meri bari." Like,
I
you
love the
know,
whole chill and the cheer and the fuck and then oh my god it was
but
so good
he also said, "Na ki you will talk about girls and cars and money and the
he
mard
said that
ban."
yes
That's why I think what I think. But tell me,
amazing stuff amazing Kid Shot was like okay so I love when they go super fast like full chopper style lekin when they're so clear When
So
every
clear.
word is so clear, immediately sunte hi I'm like wah 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 wah. When
Mm.
one is not mumbling, one is not like brilliant stuff. And
Yeah.
then Kid Shot was going so fast, I was like, Krishna ye kaise karega? And then Krishna came on board, and then I was like, dude, like perfect
I
song.
mean,
Both of
there's
them are
no
doing it so well, so well.
exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
I wanna watch Kid Shot's more stuff now. Yeah,
Mm.
if
So
this is how, yeah.
yeah, no. So first, like I want to give props to this recoil. The beat, awesome. Really nice beat, right?
Meri bari,
And
Meri bari.
yeah, like you said, it was so clear that it would be it would not be easy to catch every word if he wasn't so well enunciated. Like every word
Yeah,
of his, the duh, the
it was
the the the
clean,
the,
crisp. Yeah.
and that is super hard to obviously maintain at that speed, but brilliant, loved it. And then of course Krishna, so we've seen a little bit of Krishna's sort of supersonic chopper
Mm,
skills in Langar. I think it was Free Verse Feast mein. I don't
yeah,
know if you
yeah,
watched it.
I
um
have. Yeah,
so that was our intro to Krishna, Maddie and I. It was the
right,
first time we'd
right.
heard Krishna, and we
Yeah.
were just like,
क्या किया इसने?
what is happening? you know so this totally brought me back to that track,
Mm,
what
mm.
we were thinking about. But yeah, this, I feel like this was even like one step ahead. um and I kind of expect that from Krishna now, to always surprise. So we've been saying ki we're getting like similar sort of vibes from Krishna lately, but like he's
Yeah,
done so
yeah.
much in the past. Yeah, he's done so much in the
Exactly.
past that's
In
so.
so many ways, I feel like there is this rawness to Krishna back then because, although he was famous, but now he's way more famous, right? Now everything
Yeah,
is commercial, everything is like, so there is this very beautiful rawness which is there, which I'm loving
in
in
his
these
older
lyrics.
stuffs. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I love that. I love that. But Kid
Yeah.
Shot, man, these guys are too good.
But I must
You want
say
to
that
discuss
now
the
that's
lyrics? Hmm.
no, I mean, I pretty much got most of them, but
Yeah, we
like,
got, yeah,
now that you mentioned it, yeah, that rawness was more evident in his older songs and videos, you know,
yeah, yeah.
whether it's just the way he's carrying himself in front of the camera, or whether it's even the sound and the vibe of the songs. Maybe it's a conscious choice, yeah. Once you grow and you reach a certain place, then you kind of need to get slightly more
I think with more
uh,
exposure, it naturally also happens.
yeah, and
Like your demeanor changes, your attitude changes, your confidence levels change. I
your
think that
personal
naturally,
evolution as an artist also happens, huh? Then
yeah,
your
yeah,
sensibility change. So
yeah.
at any given point in time, you're not the same person, and you're not the same
हाँ.
artist you were back then. So I think that
मतलब अगर
evolution
आप पहले
happens.
अंडरडॉग थे, आप हमेशा तो अंडरडॉग नहीं रहोगे. अंडरडॉग बन के फेमस हो गए, तो अब तो फेमस हो गए ना.
I don't think
हाँ,
Krishna underdog hai.
नहीं बोल सकते, वही तो. हाँ.
Awam will be like, what are you talking about?
But that's exactly my point. That when
Mm,
all of us have this thing about the whole underdog, but
mm,
Krishna is not an underdog anymore. But when this
no.
song had probably come out 3 years back, he was still, that underdog feel is there in that rawness which we're talking about. वही तो है.
He was
That's
on the
like,
cusp of
ah.
flipping into the non-underdog zone.
But
But
Kid Shot, man, Kid Shot, like, I can't get over
this
him. I
song,
can't get over his stuff.
I feel this track, released in 2017, I feel like it was ahead of its time even 3 years ago.
I agree. I
Because
agree.
if this song released today, it would
It
hit
would be
like
all over.
millions easy,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
like overnight. Just because I'm not seeing this in like the late the latest releases so much. This kind of vibe and this kind of speed and this kind of flow.
Exactly.
Um,
Exactly.
very few
That's why it's
people
seeming
in the
so
scene can
fresh.
do this. Yeah, it's seeming fresh, even if
Yeah.
it's 3 years old. I wish they'd like release this track now, or maybe they could still like collab again and release something like
Hey,
this.
we're talking about it. For all you know, this is the sudden revisiting of it.
Yeah, yeah. But
Ah.
funny, like I felt like, I mean, there's no comparison. They were both equally good. But did you think Krishna went a little faster than Kid Shot? Because I didn't think it was possible. When he came in, I was like, wait, is this
So
faster?
I felt that, but I think that was in the arrangement because every time
Uh,
before in the transition, if you notice, for the chorus they did go slower. Up, Meri Bari, like it goes slower. So
yeah.
then you suddenly kind of pace down and you become okay, and
And
then
then
suddenly it comes back up. Yeah,
it would
yeah,
seem that
yeah,
way. Yeah, because of
yeah,
that change.
yeah. Correct.
True. But I think they should collab again and put something like this out
Yes,
in
yes,
2021 for sure. Because
yes.
this
And
Ghana
if you
was.
And if you are listening right now are like, "Arey, Kid Shot ka ye wala suno, there's other more stuff," please suggest it because we'd love to get into it, right?
Yeah, speaking of suggestions and that stuff, guys, please keep the comment section not just about requests. You know, the videos get uploaded, and within 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, the whole comment section starts filling up with requests. And I'm just like, come on, guys, at least watch the video, at least watch what
Yeah.
we've reacted to, at least watch our discussion, post the song, and like tell us what you agreed with, didn't agree with. Have a two-way conversation with us about the content in the video. The comment section is not just about writing a line about who we should react to next. And like seriously, just because your favorite artist has not been reacted to today, doesn't mean you don't watch other people's music. You know what I mean? Like there's so much. I just need to rant here because I feel like
Go for it.
my favorite artist is this one, uska gana kyun? And like some people are to, first of all, you're requesting something, and I'll be very straight up. We don't owe it to you to react to your favorite artist ka gana. We're gonna do it because we like that you're engaging with us on the channel. But be nice about the request. Don't be rude. Don't leave me 20 question marks, and don't say that oh, God will never forgive you. Somebody written that because you're not reacting to such and such artist ka album, and I'm
So
just like,
mean.
I'm
So
just like,
mean.
you know, so a little shocking and unnecessary rudeness happens. Like, chill out, you know. I think it's easier to get your requests on if you DM me and tell me at least 1 or 2 lines about why you're requesting a particular song, because then it'll stay in my mind a lot more. Like, oh, this is a nice reason. I want to see this. Let's keep the comment space more about engaging with what is happening in the actual video that you're watching. So that's my 2 bit. Sorry.
So request karo. My one bit, request karo. We love it when you request.
Yeah,
लेकिन साथ
request.
में also tell us what you just saw. उसके अंदर मजा आया कि नहीं आया? हाँ ना
Yeah.
कुछ तो. And that's it.
एक
That's all.
sentence
Like,
so you
yeah.
can type extra along with your request. So that's all we're saying. But yes,
We look
on
forward to that. हमें मजे आते हैं ना पढ़ के इसलिए.
exactly. And then I feel like replying also to those comments and like engaging and you know having a two-way conversation. So
Yes.
and shall we now Kisco?
Yes.
Because
Okay, bye.
it was awesome.
Like
And
and subscribe.
we'll see you in the next one. Oh, and Shruti's new audio series is linked in the description.
Yes,
Check it out.
yes.
Called Yari Road.